So Fast Track is a one-day consultancy service that we offer on our individual products, so Express and Solo, to help get you off the ground. So our starter pack is 5 days of consulting, but they don't need to be used consecutively, which really helps with the phased learning approach. And one of these packs is included with our Gold programme. So our documentation service involves us coming in and learning about your product and how it's automated, looking at things like your templates, your naming conventions, file locations, metadata, and wrapping it all into a document that you can use, which is really great for onboarding new employees, but also avoiding knowledge pools, so having information only in people's heads. So our web-based CIP, which stands for Continual Improvement Programme, are 1 hour consulting web sessions to enable us to drip feed information and learning into your business. They come in packs of 8 and you get one included with the Gold programme, and they're great because you don't always need a full day of consulting in one go. You can purchase extra consultation days from us that can be used to help deploy DriveWorks in any areas you need, and it helps drip feed knowledge to the end user. So our proof of concept service gives you the ability to explore DriveWorks without actually having to invest in it up front. It involves us assigning you an engineer for 6 days. The first day is a scoping day where we look at the goals and agree some deliverables that are achievable within the time frame. And we also try and absorb as much about your product as possible. And then the following 5 days of consultancy involve us creating essentially a mini project for you to address any concerns that you or the stakeholders in the product may have to enable you to decide whether to invest in DriveWorks or not. The great thing is whatever you have at the end you get to keep, so it can be used as a really good starting point if you do choose to go forward with the product. If you end up with any days that you don't use during that time, that can just be rolled on to your implementation. So a proof of concept isn't always suitable for everyone. If you have no past experience of DriveWorks and there are some concerns about what DriveWorks can do and whether it would be suitable for your application, then a proof of concept is a great way to explore the software and make sure that it's going to do the right job for you. So training for DriveWorks, we have a 1-day training course for DriveWorks Solo. So for our professional range, we have a 2-day essential training course. And then we can follow that on with a 1-day advanced training course, but that doesn't have to be taken consecutively. And for organisations that are deploying DriveWorks in a non-CAD environment, so not actually driving any CAD models, we have a 2-day sales configurator course. Within the DriveWorks team, we have a lot of engineers that have also worked in industry, so I've got a lot of experience of how to deploy DriveWorks efficiently. When you're starting out fresh, you have to try and learn DriveWorks amongst your daily whirlwind. So by utilising the proof of concept, our consultancy days, or our web sessions, can help you tap into that experience that we have to help you make smarter decisions earlier on.